to stand here and salute to his flag. Today, we feel proud because of those freedom fighters and brave heroes who laid down their lives for us. Few years back, when Britishers ruled over India, I think we never dreamt, हमने कभी सोचा ही नहीं था कि आज़ादी मिलेगी. We never thought that we could ever get independence. But today, my dear friends, we got it. Brave freedom fighters like Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Mangal Pandey, Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more gave us the strength and made us united and made us feel that yes, if we come together, we can fight against Britishers. Today is a day where we have a feeling of patriotism, nationalism, a sense of unity and commonness. My dear friends, today is a very great day for us because we have achieved independence because of them. Their sacrifices are very big, they are priceless. We could never ever pay their sacrifices. And you know, when they were kids, the freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh and Mangal Pandey, they were so small when they died. They were so young, around 29, 23, 25. But their passion and devotion towards their nation made them passionate to give freedom to the people. For example, Bhagat Singh, he quit his school at the age of 13 years because he promised himself the day when 13th April, many of us know, Jallianwala Bagh, he took that soil which was moist with the blood of those Indians killed mercilessly. He took that soil and promised himself that I will be one of the revolutionaries who would throw out the Britishers out of India. And we achieved it because of freedom fighters like him. Mangal Pandey began the revolt of 1857 by gathering the courage to shoot his British officer. And before getting hanged, he addressed the people and its nation that take stand for yourself. Come together, I'm sure you'll get the freedom. They all participated in freedom struggles and many more freedom fighters did it. That's why today we are enough fortunate that we are celebrating Independence Day. But it's a bit unfortunate that people who did good deeds for this day are not today with us. Secondly, hats off to those people, defense, Indian Army, Indian Navy, Indian Air Force, who selflessly do their job. Hats off to the one who gave us freedom and to the second who protect our freedom till their last breath. You, being a citizen of India, should remember one thing. Please never do anything which disrespects this Tiranga or this motherland. Because don't forget, the national flag of India does not fly due to wind. It flies due to last breath of several those martyrs who have given their lives for us. इस तिरंगे को कभी भी नीचे झुकने मत दीजिएगा, क्योंकि इस तिरंगे के पीछे बहुत वीरों के बलिदान हैं. हम उनके सैक्रिफाइसेस को कभी जन्मों जन्मों तक पे नहीं कर पाएंगे. Because those sacrifices are priceless. For example, हमने देखा कि कारगिल वॉर, बैटल ऑफ लोंगावाला, नाथुला, अरुणाचल प्रदेश, सियाचिन, our soldiers proved themselves. What do you think? Why do they do like this? Because they have selfless love for their nation, for this mitti, for this motherland. That's why they do it. They do not do it for sake of doing. They do it because they have selfless love and patriotism. Secondly, I would like to say that the soldiers believe in only one thing: service before self. Seva Asmakam Param Dharma. It's even the motto of National Defense Academy. A soldier does things because he really loves his nation and its people. 600 soldiers got martyred. More than 600 soldiers. Their families feel that they have lost their sons, their daughters, somebody has lost their husband, somebody has lost their father. But still, they still have courage to send today's youth into Indian Army, Indian Air Force or Indian Navy because they have selfless love for this nation and its midfield. Today, I would like to share an incident with all of you, one of the military legends that we listen, like Captain Vikram Batra, Captain Manoj Kumar Pandey, Flying Lieutenant Kartik Thakur, and many more. One of the examples is Captain Kangaroos. I do not know how many of you have heard about him, but Captain Kangaroos was given a feature. कारगिल वॉर में एक पहाड़ी इलाका था जिसको ब्लैक फीचर कहते हैं. वो उस पहाड़ी पे चढ़ रहे थे बट उनके पैर स्लिप कर रहे थे लगातार. He decided to remove his shoes at -15 degrees temperature. He removed it and thrown it out and bravely fought with the enemies. It is unbearable and unimaginable that how can a person, हम जब winters होती हैं, we do not step even a leg without socks. But he throwed his boot because he really loved his nation. He did not wanted an invader to step leg on his motherland. For his act of bravery, he was given Mahavir Chakra. उन्हें महावीर चक्र इंडिया के सेकेंड हाईएस्ट गैलेंट्री अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया. My dear friends, they gave their today for your better tomorrow. उन्होंने अपना आज आपके कल के लिए दे दिया. They gave their today for your better tomorrow without caring about their lives. They selflessly did their job. कैप्टन विक्रम बत्रा ने वॉर पे जाने से पहले बोला था, either I'll come back hosting the tricolor or I'll come back wrapped in it, but I'll come back for sure. या तो मैं कारगिल पे तिरंगा फहरा के आऊंगा या मैं उसी में लिपट कर आ जाऊंगा, लेकिन आऊंगा जरूर. सेम एज कैप्टन मनोज ने बोला था कि I swear I'll still the death if it strikes me unless I prove my blood to my motherland. They were great leaders. उन्होंने अपने कंफर्ट सैक्रिफाइस किए हमारे लिए. उन्होंने अपने कंफर्ट सैक्रिफाइस किए इस नेशन के लिए. उन्होंने when they got shot, they pushed his subadar and said कि नहीं, you will not come with me, because they were great leaders. So our responsibility to be an Indian is that we should never ever disrespect this तिरंगा, क्योंकि इस तिरंगे को बहुत वीरों ने इसके लिए अपनी जान दी है. We can never ever forget those walls of marbles engraved with their names. उनके नाम से लिखी वो दीवारें हम कभी भूल नहीं सकते हैं. Those wounds can never heal because they have done a lot for us. So we should always respect our national flag, our nation, and it is said true कि भारत माता ने बहुत brave sons और daughters को जन्म दिया है. Thank you and जय हिंद.
Well done. Look.